Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox not opening on Microsoft Store. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here is to open up installed apps. Then you need to go to Roblox, and then you need to just press the dots, advanced options, and then you just need to press repair and reset and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, then you just need to go back on Roblox, hit uninstall, and after is uninstall here, then you just need to open up on search run. Then on run, you just need to write percent local app data percent, right? And then you need to look for Roblox folder, right? Roblox folder. And what you need to do here with this folder is to delete it, right? And then also you can check in the documents if there is no Roblox folder. And if there is, do not delete nothing here, right? Just delete from local app data. And then you just need to restart your computer and go to Microsoft Store. Look for Roblox. Just install again. And then it should work for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.